Today, I'm gonna return my Omni that I recently ordered, and the instruction in the email that I followed with this um, address, and I have this complete box with the receipt and the warranty, everything in this box. I'm gonna mail it today, and gonna inform the I'm gonna inform the I'm gonna inform the creative for this. Okay, so thank you for the customer staff of the creative, and you're so very great of helping your customer, and that's one thing that I like, the people who work behind with the creative. And by the way, this is my first, I'm a fan of Sound Blaster. This is my first Sound Blaster external sound card chips, and it's called Supreme FX2. This was great when I was using before with the XP, and I level up with the ODG. It was also great with the Vista, and it takes me a lot of time, a year of using this sound blaster. Yes, this still complete. I have everything with the chips, of course, as you see inside. Let you see. If you're curious, this is also external sound blaster, just the same. And the warranty still working with this. As long that you have a Vista, I still have the book, instruction book. I still have this warranty paper and the CD and the CD. So this everything inside in this, and I have still the CDs, and this all paper and the CD and the CD. So still working with that software. I don't know if that can be upgrade. If you're interested, you can ask by the creative. Yes, I love Sound Blaster. They always have a good professional sound card. It's very neat, and the sound is very extremely good, and that's what I love, Sound Blaster. I have this from Sci-Fi and this from Sci-Fi Titanium. Still working with the Windows 7. It's not damaged, but I'm only upgraded. And yes, this is the box. Oh, sorry. That's the box. Yes, that's also external. And you will see it's for Windows 7. Yes. So I still keep this. I don't use it anymore because I want the R3. R3, yes. R3. And it's good to level up every time to change your sound card when the software is not updated anymore. So by the way, that's it for today, and is it Sound Blaster from the creative company. Yes, and Sound Blaster is the sound card brand name. Okay, so this is it, and it's also worked with Ashu, and you can record in Audacity, and it's worked well. And this is it, the titanium. But for now, I'm gonna return my newly ordered box from return to the company. Thank you for watching.